Looking for the best wind turbine generators? In this video, we'll explore the top 5 models that offer high efficiency, durability, and performance for your energy needs. Whether for home, boat, or off-grid use, these wind turbines are designed to maximize power generation in various conditions. Let's dive in. Item number 5. Introducing the SMARAAD wind power generator, model SJ500/2000-3000 with a vertical axis design and fiberglass blades. This efficient generator features a 3-phase permanent magnet motor, IP54 protection, and is certified with CE. Ideal for home use, boats, street lamps, and remote areas, it operates safely in wind speeds up to 40 meters per second. Available in various voltages, 12 volts, 24 volts, 48 volts, with wattages of 1500 watts, 2000 watts, and 3000 watts. Enjoy a 1-year warranty and reliable customer support for returns and exchanges. Item number 4. Introducing the SZ3000 3000-watt wind turbine generator, designed for maximum power efficiency. With a rated power of 3000 watts and a peak output of 350 watts, this turbine operates at a startup wind speed of just 2.0 meters per second and a rated wind speed of 13 meters per second. It features 35 blades and a 1.14 meter wind wheel diameter. Compatible with 12 or 24 volt systems, it pairs perfectly with a 100-hour lithium battery. Ideal for sustainable energy solutions, it can withstand wind speeds up to 50 meters per second. Item number 3. Introducing the SMARAAD SR2000-3000 wind power generator, designed for efficiency and reliability. Featuring a 3-phase permanent magnet suspension motor and fiberglass blades, this vertical axis turbine operates safely in wind speeds up to 40 meters per second. With a rated power of 2000 watts per 3000 watts and voltage options of 12 volt, 24 volt, and 48 volts, it's ideal for home use, boats, streetlights, and remote areas. Certified with CE and built with an iron shaft, it offers durability and a 1-year warranty for peace of mind. Item number 2. Introducing the SMARAAD SX3000W, SX5000W wind power generator, designed for high efficiency and durability. With a coreless magnet generator, 3 curved blades, and a nylon blade design, it operates with a startup wind speed of just 2 meters per second. Ideal for home use, boats, streetlights, and more, this generator is CE certified and offers a 20-year lifespan with a 1-year warranty. It can also integrate with solar panels, creating a hybrid system for increased energy efficiency. Perfect for sustainable power in various applications. Item number 1. Introducing the SMARAAD SX3000W SX5000W wind power generator, designed for high efficiency and reliability. This vertical windmill features 3 durable nylon blades and an aluminum alloy shell, ensuring long-lasting performance. With a low startup wind speed of just 2 meters per second, it harnesses wind energy effectively, providing reliable power generation. Available in various colors, this CE-certified generator is perfect for residential, marine, and outdoor use. The assembly installation method offers easy setup, making it an ideal choice for sustainable energy solutions. Thanks for watching. Like and comment. Subscribe this channel.